The MudMixer is the fastest, easiest multi-use mixer on the market. Mixing mud has never been this easy or this clean. The 35-inch standover height means you'll never lift another bag above the belt. Use the attached secondary hose for quick, easy, and convenient cleanup. The 330-degree pivot system allows for precision and adjustability on any work site. The patented auger moves along any mixture and delivers it where it's needed. 14-gauge high-strength steel construction stands up to anything you throw at it. The durable auger and chute provide the easiest and fastest delivery of your mixture to your forms. An all-electric water-sealed motor with both forward and reverse settings gives you complete control. And flat-free tires means you'll always get where you're going. The integrated bag opener makes for easy drop and fold opening of your favorite dry mix. The fully adjustable water dial allows for customized water flow for your desired mixture. And the electric drivetrain has the power to chew through up to 40 bags of mix per hour. All this comes together to create the only one-of-its-kind mud mixing machine. It's sure to decrease labor cost and increase the number of jobs completed, all to save you time, money, and energy.